When somebody shares an idea as a response to connect with new information, that moment does not exist on its own because it gets responded to, and that response matters a lot more than we think. You've probably seen this play out in real time. Somebody shares something that is almost there, not quite accurate, but clearly doing something, and you have a decision to make. Do you correct it? Do you redirect it? Do you let it sit for a second and just see what happens? Most of the time, as teachers, we move quickly. We have deadlines. We're uncomfortable with the silence. But from the student's perspective, this moment is very potent data. It answers a question that human beings are constantly asking: what kind of thinking is allowed here? Research on feedback shows that it is one of the most powerful influences on student outcomes because it changes how students engage, what they pay attention to, and how willing they are to take risks. So when certain kinds of thinking are being constantly redirected, students adapt, and over time that adaptation compresses the range of thinking that we actually see in the classroom. Because students start offering ideas that are safer and closer to what they think is expected, more aligned to the structure of your lesson, and from the outside, this can look like an improvement, but what we're actually seeing is a narrowing because the system becomes more efficient, but less generative. The class will feel smoother because you have less interruptions, but it will also feel quieter in a very specific way because what's missing is the entire process. We're not seeing thinking in action anymore, we're just seeing the outcomes. So if a student shares something slightly off and it gets shut down quickly, the lesson that they pull from that is not that answer was incorrect, it's don't say that kind of thing again.